let's install this drain. So we'll just smack her down in here. Try not to drip any down in the basement. All that's good, I think. Wipe that off, put it on my sponge. All right, so we're gonna drop in and twist. And we're also, before I push down, grab a level, because we want to verify level after. So we're gonna press down. Make sure to fill all of our gaps here. Pretty good. And we're dead level. And let's clean her up. So we got a ring here. Obviously it has an indentation, so that's where we want to get mud to. I'm gonna get one on my face. And we're also gonna obviously trowel it so it fits in nice. Let's see where that goes actually. So it should be good. So let's line her up with center. Make sure it's in the recess, little divot of the hand. I think it is. Go over a little bit. Center it. And we know the routine. Squeegee her out. Sometimes I go a little overkill with my OCD trying to clean up everything, but don't. Just like drywall, you dig too deep and you're into another coat and whatnot. So, all right, that looks good. Next, I'm gonna get a piece of Kerdi band and run it all the way to the wall, to the drain, then also do the other side. I'll be back once this is in. There she is, that side's complete. Let's carry on to the next. All right, there she is, the side's done.